Hello and welcome to a little brief tutorial and some education on your next steps and learning more about PHIX and FIT, as well as shipping and a few other little details. So once your person has sent you the link for signing up, depending on if you are coming in the US or Canada or other places that we are available, you'll see a little flag up at the top right-hand corner, and that makes it so that you can choose where you would like to sign up. But we will do the United States today. So please know that this first order, when we are ordering the PHIX or the FIT, it is having a shipping cost. But after this first initial order, you will have free shipping on the PHIX itself. So this is a blessing. And just so you know as well, this first pack that you'll see has to do with a little bit more of a weight loss program that you'd like, if you would like to utilize the FIT and the PHIX together. This is basically a month supply, being able to turn on the vagus nerve for 9.5 hours from morning till night, and then taking another round of PHIX before you go to bed in the evening. So taking PHIX, not just under the tongue, you'll want to put it in water and then drink it down. And then 9.5 hours later, or right before you go to bed, just drink it down with a little bit of water, and then that will allow your body to be activated for 9.5 hours more. So usually we would say to go ahead and scroll down and find the pack that has 3 bottles and 12 snaps. Those 12 snaps are going to complete the 30-day program of 1 bottle. So please don't give them away as a sample to someone, because really they're not probably going to feel it to the point that they would say, let's get it, because you just gave away a month, like part of the month supply of your own product. So let people read the testimonials, come to the calls, understand what this is, and then be able to invest in themselves so that you have a full dose of product for your month supply. So this kit is going to offer 2 bottles for the first month, keeping that vagus nerve 24 hours activation. The third bottle will start your second month, and the auto ship that's coming in that second month will help you complete the second month with 24-hour activation of the vagus nerve. In my coaching, I do share with people to allow yourselves to have that full activation, that 24 activation of the vagus nerve when you first start. And maybe on month 3, you can just drop down to 1 serving a day. But again, 1 serving activates the vagus nerve for 9.5 hours. So if you want to be supported for the whole 9.5 hours plus through the night, it would take 2 bottles a month to receive that. But just play with the dosage is what we've been told, and see how it works as you go down the months. So you will be receiving those 3 bottles plus your snaps. This kit is $199 plus the $29 annual wholesale membership, and it makes it so that if you do decide to share, then you have a back office and a way to be able to share this with other people. And the link that you're signing up with right now, you will receive your own link, and we can make it your very own. Just like you looked through the link that this came in, we'll make your own so that you can share it with friends as well. I'm just going to walk you through steps. Clicking there, you would add your email. I'm just going to make one up. So please save your password, write it down, let yourself have that. and then add your name. And then you'll get to the point where it says create your username, or this would be definitely your login, and it's also going to be attached to being able to have your link connected. So it could be your full name or a special saying, whatever feels good for you. Then they would like your birthday, and then your shipping address, United States. And then right here, if you are choosing to share this maybe later down the road, or right away, actually, please add your social. But if you do not feel comfortable doing that right now, you can just put 10 zeros in that box and all will be well. So then you can check too who your enroller is. Make sure it's the friend that you are signing up with. Make sure that is their name there. Okay, so the password doesn't meet, so I need to do something different with the password. They will tell you things are working or not. My username is available. And then you just go to the next step. Let's see. It's thinking. Go ahead and save your password in your phone. And then the next step here is choosing the enroller pack. So that is again why you'd want to hit the button at the very bottom, because this is the pack that we would like. Select it. And then this is where you are going to be able to set it up so that you have plenty of product coming in the next month or so. So again, you can have one bottle that will support you on the second month to have 2 bottles for full activation. Or if you'd like to save $8 by ordering 2 at the same time every month, then you could order the second order. So here it is. They're just checking your information. And sometimes we have coupon codes, so that is where that goes. In this payment section here, you'll see on the right-hand side, add card. You'll add your credit card and the information, your mailing address. You'll hit save card, and then you come down into this section here, clicking the boxes. 1, 2, 3. And then you'll be able to fill everything out and just hit the purchase and you're all set. And once that happens, you are totally set, and it'll say to log into your back office and also set up what they call the ACE app. So that will be amazing. Please check with your friend that you're just signing up with to set up the ACE app and receive information through there. It's an app that the company is letting everyone have for free. So amazing. It has all the science, it has videos, and it has a space called Campfire. So Campfire is our actually off social media app, and it has replays and testimonials, and so it makes it really easy for us to guide people into the community and having more tools so that we can share with others, if that is what you choose. So thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.